Get ready for another fantastic video volume from Viral Monkey. This time bringing you the coolest, most spectacular animal content you can find anywhere on planet Earth. Get comfortable because Viral Monkey's latest presentation starts now. Take a look at what happens when a massive monitor lizard makes its way into this shop. I don't see too many people rushing in to tell him to leave. All I know is that if he tries to buy beer, ask for some ID. Who knows what you'll find when you jump into the water in Florida? Tires, car parts, Cuban refugees. In this case, our friend here manages to get his hands on an iguana that happened to swim by. Nice catch, Florida man.
No, you got it! Let's go!
That's insane.
Oh, that's a big one.
Careful, careful, careful.
Look at that guy. Green iguana. South Florida.
It's not every day that a massive rhino makes its way down a busy city street. Check out this beast of a specimen as he tours this Indian city. Out of the way, people! Rhinos aren't known to shy away from a fight. This guy right here doesn't hesitate to take on a truck that he sees as a threat. Try explaining that the dents on your truck were caused by a rhino to your insurance company. See how far that gets you.
No. Easy. Easy.
Here's a rare sight. Watch as the rhino takes on a bull elephant in an effort to show who's the boss of this swath of jungle. This next video from Mozambique shows just how strong hippos can be. The hippo takes on this car like a champ and absolutely crumples the front end. Whatever you do, don't get out of the car, buddy. Here we see a group of tourists out for a day on the river when, bam, surprise hippo attack.
On the other side, and then there's the pump there. Yeah, there's the pump there.
Watch as these fishermen get quite the rough greeting from a hippo that apparently objects to them fishing in this territory. If you're afraid of spiders, do not watch this next clip. In any case, I dare you not to get the willies after viewing this one. Impossible.
That's holy sh! Oh my god, there's so many of them! Oh, there it is! Oh.
Here's a bit of nightmare fuel for you. Ever have that fear of a snake coming up out of the toilet? Yeah, apparently in Australia, it's a real concern. Thanks, but no thanks. Oh yeah, sure. Just a few spiders here, nothing to worry about. Totally normal. Please go about your business. These next two videos from South Africa show exactly what a bull elephant is capable of if he feels like his territory is being threatened. They have no trouble showing these vehicles exactly who's the alpha male around these parts. Honey, why were you late today? It's because an elephant sat on my car. Do you honestly expect me to believe that? Well, dear, I actually have a video to prove it, and here it is. Paddleboarding gets real super quick when an orca swims up alongside our friend here. Let's hope that the orca is just curious and will go away without causing trouble.
You alright, mate? You can't park there, sir.
Paddleboarding with an orca in the water isn't something you should alter.
We all know how dogs and cats have traditionally been at odds with each other, but in this case, a tiny Shih Tzu comes face to face with a mountain lion and refuses to back down. Only a thin pane of glass separates these two creatures, and in the case of the Shih Tzu, he's lucky to come away without becoming a snack for the cougar.
Dash, 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 get away.
This short clip shows just how close this motorcyclist was to becoming a tiger's next meal. Imagine if they decided to walk that day. We've all heard about the urban legend of alligators living in the sewers, right? Who knew it was actually true? This diver found out how true it really was. Okay, what is this creature? What's that noise it's making? And what planet is it from? Better yet, what horror novel did it climb out of? Apparently, Australia is full of spiders. Lucky for us, Australia is also full of spider goddesses like our friend here who manages to capture a gargantuan spider that has taken up residence in her camper van.
Off, there it goes. It's off, it's off, it's off.
Okay,
Where's it going though? See ya. See ya.
Ready for this one?
Yep. That one's on. You're kidding. No, look.
Are you actually joking? Nah. I'm not going to sleep tonight. One of us has to be brave. Because it's not you.
This thing's back. Wait, moves quick. Oh, she's on.
Mate, it didn't move that quick.
She's on. It will once you pull the thing away.
Oh,
Yeah, it's moving. How are you going to get the lid on it?
I have no idea.
You got to hit him. Just try and knock him off. Try and knock him off.
Yeah, that's it. Now he's in. Now, yes. The lid is on. Got it.
I'm a spider goddess.
Take a look at how these humans are absolutely dwarfed by the monstrous crocodiles at this underwater exhibit.
Whoa, Dennis, that is so cool! Oh, shoot! Look at me go! Go!
This next clip is a wonderful example of why I'm in no hurry to go to Australia anytime soon. Let's watch our friend here count up all the spiders he can find just in his house.
How many spiders can I find in 10 minutes in my own home here in Australia? Let's go. This one here is literally just outside my door to my house.
What a beauty, eh?
Because I'm on a time limit, I'm going straight to the garage. Oh my word, look at that guy. And then, look at that one. Guys, he's gone. Where did he go? There's at least 100 spiders in this garage alone.
There's another 5 or 6.
We actually have a possum that lives under the house here. Look. There he is. Hey. Good night, because you're nocturnal. Whoops. Okay, 10 minutes is up. I thought I would actually find more, but we found about 5 or 6 and a possum.
Check out this colorful lizard somebody found in their backyard. How it got all the way from Madagascar to the USA is anybody's guess. An absolutely gorgeous example of what Mother Nature can cook up.
So usually I get snake calls, and today I get a call today, and the gentleman found this dude crawling around in the neighborhood. Hey bud, sometimes they can bite. Oh, you're not even gonna bite me, are you? Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
So pretty.
That is the most bizarre, can you?
Yeah, for sure.
This is like,
wow.
Oh my god. Ow! Is that his pincher?
No. That's yeah. That was his.
You gotta be kidding me. Where's his head?
He's you're right just under his head. His front leg's coming out.
Oh my god, this is a trip. Dude, you are the coolest dude ever. My kids are gonna frickin' flip.
Really?
I mean, this is just a bizarre creature.
It is so strange.
I think they're, I think Madagascar.
That's what I just read. They are from Madagascar.
You are rad.
So,
he's so healthy.
He's very colorful.
I think what I'll try to do is put ads up first, because this is somebody's pet.
Yeah, I just posted it up on
Nextdoor.
Nextdoor.
Did you?
I did.
Okay,
I did.
perfect.
Just put it as lost and found. Say, hey, found it.
And then
if somebody shows up, I'll let you know.
Give them my number.
Yeah.
Perfect. You can cut that.
I'm not sure if I should be afraid of this snake, but he's actually pretty cute. What do you think?
You just made a face at me. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So aggressive and angry. Yes, I know we're scary. We got teeth. I know.
That was absolutely wild! Thanks for watching this presentation from Viral Monkey. Please, friend, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the outrageous and unbelievable content from Viral Monkey. See you again soon!